Hello folks, let's start with today's session. So today I'm going to show you the overview about this window. So it's either to identify the number of records that we have. Here we have 9,994 records. So start with the data types. So Tableau is smart enough to identify what data types a particular column belongs to. As soon as you pull the data, you don't have to do anything. It automatically detects what data type it belongs to. As you can see, the row ID, it's a numerical data type, so it is marked as numerical data type. If it's a decimal number, it will mark it as decimal. So as you click on this ABC, this is the order ID. The order ID is marked as a string data type. If you go to the order date, this is marked as a date data type. We have one more data type over here. As you come down, you click on geographical role, and so it's a country data type, or the geographical data type. Now Tableau is smart enough to identify what data type a particular column belongs to, and it marks them accordingly. Now you'll be thinking why we need these many data types. So if you are developing a graph, so for that you'll be needing a geographical data type. If you want to develop a scatter plot, you will be requiring a numerical data type. Or if you want to develop a trend chart, you will be using a date data type. That's the reason Tableau divides it accordingly, so that it's easy for people to understand how or which column to use for developing graphs or particular type of graphs. So that's all for today's session. We'll be seeing you in the next session.